Cheers. All right, let's get started. VS, oh, we need to download VS Code, right? Really? Do we? I thought we already did it. I thought we already had it. No? Huh, that's weird. Oh, then that's my book. Okay. Visual Studio Code. I want to start coding there, so terminal. There's a lot of changes that have not happened. Okay. Where were we? Let's see. It should be around here or something. Actually, let's just open folder. Que trance, carnal. Está toda la raza. Remember, we cannot use ChatGPT here. Look, this is my new website. Interesting, right? Okay, in construction intelligence and estimating. All right. Time allocation. Where are we? User sign up. Oof. All right. But wait, what is going on? Let's see. Checking users, right? So here, once we submit that, this and that, submit, okay. Password. I need they match made. Okay. So for example, what? Oh, never mind. Okay. Actually, I want to see this one. Test user and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They match mate. They match mate. About they do not match. All right. So that's what it does, right? Usernames. Sign up. All right. So we're trying to sign them up, right? this and that. Let's see, it's gonna be user management, login, user sign up, so sign in, well, sign in form, hash in HTML should ID be capitalized, ID be mentioned that while the ID attribute name itself is case sensitive, the value assigned to ID is case sensitive. Alright, the ID attribute as ID. No, for example, my section. Case sensitive, meaning sign is form, sign in form, sign up of form. Let's see this one. Boy, come on. And pisadote pa donde quiera que va. Sign in form, sign in, sign up form. Okay, good. Now we're gonna do this. Let's see, username, new username, new password. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, no, let's make sure that we make sure that the same username is not stored. Okay. New password. See another one. Email address. How you do? You remember, right? Placeholder. Anything works. Just don't forget it. Email address, your email. Okay, and then submit, sign up form, checking users, and then we're gonna do, should we create like a checking users, transcribe, alright. Yeah, let's submit, yep. ID, so yeah, it can be new username, new password, and new email. Name, it's gonna be new name, new password, new email address. Okay, and then now let's sign up. You didn't see that? Okay, checking users, nice. Let's do whether this is working. Git out, git commit, try new function, git push origin main. Alright. Yeah, I didn't do any work because this weekend because I was partying with my family. Well, we have the following weekends to start with. Let's see. Nice. Don't forget it, what is going on there. Siempre ando tizadote pa donde quiera que voy. Email address, oh, I see. VR, just to make sure it's working. Let me remove this. Okay, fuck that shit. Alright, so then, okay, const sign up. Should JavaScript variables be case sensitive? My variable, my variable. Nah, but like JavaScript info variables. That. Then what do we want to do? Okay. Then I see. Alright. Sign in form, add event listener, submit, function, event. And this is pure memory, by the way. What the fuck? Event prevent default for some reason. Why? What is the purpose of event? Event in JavaScript is used to stop the default behavior associated with the specific event from occurring. Many browser events have built-in default functions and prevent default allows developers. Alright. So what do we want to happen here? We not only want to store the new form data, okay. Form data, dform. This const data equals new form data. This, right? Yep. And then let's see. It's gonna be const new username equals a form data new name new username get okay const new password is from data get new password. Ugh, I don't know, man. New password and new email. Const new email equals form data get. All right, those let's see. Define the desired variables that we want to store within the existing database. Okay. I want to know what is variables used for. This is all C++. GUI. Alright. So now that we have the variables, store them. However, cannot store them. Let's set a rule for each of the variables. Variables. Username cannot be added if existent. Password more than 10 digits. 5 characters. Email. Be added if existent. I'm only gonna do 1 hour because I gotta sleep, but start with username. Let's start with the username. Alright, so username cannot be added if existent. Let's see, so let's set a fun way to search for that. Okay, so Mesa. Let's see. Let me also open. No. Form, finish bottom, get hours. Alert, stored, alert. Where is it? Okay, store time. Save new user. Touch new user. New user. Store new user. Okay. This is store time. If method not allowed. Okay, that's constant body. Interesting. What is this though? What does this do? All right. If type of number does not equal number or activity. Okay, let's do first the check. Let's see. User retrieval. Let's see. Alright, we need to do the same. Let's retrieve the usernames from the SQL table and check if the inputted one equals one of them. Equals one of them. Just a little bit of background. I had an interview. I got a new offer for a job today, and I accepted it. And I'm excited. I'm excited because it's gonna be a new experience. The money's not bad, and I'm gonna have more enrollment now. But I think that will compel me to learn more, which it's something that I like to do, to learn. It's one of my favorite activities, to learn. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I just wanted to, because I'm just looking at this. Besides, they're doing what I want to do in the future, to have my own company, and they're doing it from the very bottom. You know, I want to see how they do it, because I think I can do it better. If they can do it, I can do it. So yeah, that's nice. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see, construction licenses. Construction. Really, I don't have CSLB licenses. Installations. Construction. Okay. Okay, demolition, then landscaping. D is gonna be 12. Synthetic products. Wall coverings, fiberglass, plastic, vinyl, epoxy. Okay. Bathtub and now finishing. I have to scrap this, web scrap this. Actually, yeah, let's set up some programs here for later. I wanna retrieve my knowledge of Python. Besides, I should have done it today, but we can do it later. And then 63. Construction cleanup. I see. Nice. Interesting. Mammoth, California. Alright, guys. This is gonna be interesting. Fuck. Alright. Let's see how it goes. Let's just fucking see how it goes. Let's see. I'm thinking. Okay. Let me set up just a couple of products. Not a couple of products, but a couple of programs, actually. This sucks. All right. Let's see. The username. Let's retrieve the usernames. All right. So we're gonna need to do the same here. API. What was it? API. User retrieval. And how does that? Let's see. So basically, I'm just gonna do the same thing here. I can copy it because that's my code. Catch error with the user retrieval. Username. So username retrieved. Alright, if username. Alright, here it is. So if username equals new username, let's start with one. Let's see. Alert, try on username already exists. Actually no, let's display a message as a HTML item. How to display an HTML message within if statement in JavaScript. This one. Let assistant username message be document create element p new paragraph message displayed text content. Let's see. Whoa. try another username. Okay, let's see. Let's just try this one. Exist. Oh, tak. Hello. All right. Username test user. Huh. I see. What? The fuck? What's going on? No, but submit. So sign in form. Sign up form. Submit. Alert. Right. Vuelo. Ciudad Madero. Madero, México. Nuevo León, Ciudad Juárez, Texas. LA, Phoenix, New Mexico, Dallas, the Gulf, Austin, Texas, Afghanistan. Then what is the problem? If user retrieved equals username. Let's see. Alert. Wait a minute. User retrieval. Yeah. Just Wait a minute. Maybe it's because it doesn't exist. It says user test. Yeah, it says user they da. New username. Whoa. Okay. Darle play. So okay, row username. Oh shit. I see. I know what is going on. How to check if two values are the same in a string form? Javascript. Hello. I see. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Type correction. Type coercion. And perform type coercion if the type coercion meaning. I see. Okay. Zumba. Okay, now it's gonna work. YouTube. How are we doing? Oh, we still have some time. Por este cachito. Still no? Huh. Test user, what do you mean? La más fresca, compadre, por ya sabe que lo mío es la yesca. What the fuck? I think okay, let's try this. I do this? Existent. Else. Choice. Let's see. I think that's a CSS thing, but okay. Let me also remove this. All right. Okay. Más fresca. Else if. Else if condition, else if. Para mí es la yesca. Email. User retrieval. Okay. All right. Const user email retrieved. Road user name. Let's see. All right. So if email retrieved documents message username slate. Let's actually do this. Is of email retrieved. Let's see. Are you really gonna have linguistic? If then to check if variable is a string. Well, else if string new, let's see, new password, if length variable, JavaScript string length. Let's see, to a string. To us number to a string length. That's less or equal. JavaScript. Five. Characters. All right, let's see. I'm gonna almost be done. Let's see if this works. Again, this is only the JavaScript functionality. Later we'll do the art of CSS. But I mean, if you can see, let's see, username, it says user, data, let's see, something came out with the retrieval and sign up. Fuck. Alright, for each in error, user retrieval and sign up for server is no setting. What? Okay. That's weird, but okay. Let's grow, man. We need to grow. Let's change grow. Makes you grow. I'm gonna write a little bit and then I'm gonna read. Alright. It says user. Existing user and just a different one. Damian. Okay, new password. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. Shit. This one is deleted. 1, 2, Oh shit, wait, what? Oh. Make your password longer. Wait, email address. Test example. Example.com. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay. Let's start with the username. Password. Pretty easy. Okay. Now what? Alright, we have the rules. Now, if everything is good, we are going to no, if everything is good though, if everything is good to go, we are going to store into the MySQL. Next step. Alright, almost done. So git commit, everything worked. Good for today. I wish I could stay more, but push origin. But I also have other things to do, and I cannot sleep without with sleep. I cannot sleep with digital light before 1 hour of sleep. So basically, I need to sleep. I can only go to sleep only 1 hour after ceasing all of the digital light emanating into my eyes. Emanate. Emit. Nice. Okay. All right, that's it for today. I need to do a few things. GitHub. Nice. 14, 13. I think it's 31. That was a good day. Good day. Yeah. It's 1 hour. Cheers, brothers.